What if I told you your pain has nothing to do with damage anymore? Your back started aching a month ago, you stretched it, iced it, changed your mattress, and might have probably watched 100 YouTube videos. Or you maybe have taken medicines, you rested, you waited, but pain still there. Like that one relative who came home for your weekend, but it's been 6 months now. Jata hi nahi. Here's what nobody has told you yet, but I promise, at the end of this video, you will think about pain like never before. Let's imagine a scenario together. You cut your finger. What happens? The body immediately gets to work. Within days or weeks, the tissue repairs itself, clean and efficient. Similarly, the human body is impressive in the ways we can't even imagine. Now, let's consider back pain. Peer-reviewed research shows that every tissue in our body can heal up to within 12 weeks. That's 3 months. But then have you ever thought why millions of people suffer with pain which has been going on since 1, 2, 5 or even 10 years? But here's what we all were taught growing up. No damage, no pain. Simple, logical, but turns out not the whole story. Pain science has been quietly proving us wrong for decades, but most of us haven't even heard about it. Okay, here's the part I want you to actually think about. Have you ever had a paper cut? That tiny, insignificant, tiny slice that hurts even more than you ever imagined. Your body is wincing, your brain is freezed, and you're convinced that you're dying. Very dramatic, really unnecessary. Now, compare that to a footballer who takes a serious knock mid-match but keeps playing. Full sprint, no reaction, only to understand that he can't walk at the end. Small damage, enormous pain. Serious damage, hardly any pain. Does that make sense to you? Pain is not the direct measurement of damage. It's only the warning system. It always keeps on asking, am I in danger right now? Like the footballer's brain said, match is on, not the time. Come on, push through. But the paper cut brain said, bas ho gaya bhai, ambulance bulao. This right here, my friend, is why chronic pain is much more complex than ever we think. And the most frustrating 4 words a patient with chronic pain can ever hear from a doctor is, your MRI looks normal. And the first thing they react is, are you making all of this up? No. Absolutely not. I need to be really clear about this. Your pain is 100% real. Your body is not making it up. But here's what MRI is telling you. The tissues have healed. The structure is better. But the pain is still going on. And what are those things? Turns out, quite a lot. Poor sleep, stress, previous injuries, sitting all day, or even thinking about that pain itself. All of this make your nervous system very sensitive over time. Think of it as a mosquito bite. The moment it bites you, it itches. You scratch even harder. But now it is red, inflamed, and worse more than it started. And you think, itne se insect ne itna kuch kar diya. That's what chronic pain does to your nervous system. The more you think about it, fear it, the more sensitive it becomes. The signal gets louder, not because more damage is happening, but because your body is being overprotective. That is not weakness. That is pain which is being left untreated for long. So, if pain isn't always about damage, what do you think about it? First, stop chasing magic fix. There is no particular stretch or exercise or even a YouTube video, frankly, even this one, which will cure everything in 5 minutes. If someone is promising you that, run. Carefully, don't hurt your knee. Second, understand your pain is genuinely powerful. Just understanding how your pain works genuinely reduces your pain. Third, start moving again, slowly, gently, with guidance. Not pushing through agony, also not staying completely still. Movement tells your brain, hey, we are okay. Nothing big is happening. And eventually, the brain starts believing it. And fourth, the most underrated one. Sleep better, manage stress, fix your strength and lifestyle. And not just a one body part that hurts. Chronic pain is rarely about one muscle or joint. It's when the whole system needs recalibration. And that's exactly why we need physiotherapy, which takes care of the whole movement, lifestyle, and strength, and not just about the one spot which is paining. And if you've been living with that pain for more than 3 months, I want you to hear this directly. It's not because something is still broken. Your body has learned to protect it. It has learned to be cautious. And now it's your time to unlearn it. Recovery is possible, not because you are an athlete or you are young. It is possible for everyone. I have seen it, I see it regularly. Now, I have one question for you. For how long have you been living with pain? Drop it down in the comments and do not forget to like and subscribe.